you are expecting for the most beautiful moment in your life, to give birth to your baby is a wonderful, fulfilling experience. Pregnancy is a time when every woman's life changes. The transformations are both internal and external. The external changes include acne and pimples on face. Today's video will discuss about natural acne treatment during pregnancy. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Causes of pimples and acne during pregnancy. Well, hormones are usually the main causes of pimples and acne. First of all, when one goes through the adolescent years, they face some hormonal imbalance which causes pimples at the time. Similarly, when a woman experiences a massive hormonal changes and it results in acne. Tricks to help pimples during pregnancy naturally. Acne and pimples on face during pregnancy can really drive people crazy, and those with a history of acne will face these conditions quite naturally. So if you are expecting and experiencing regular acne and pimples breakouts, here are some quick home remedies which are easy to use on a regular basis as well as safe for your baby. Number 1. Lemon. Lemon is renowned for its natural pimple fighting ingredient, and this is the reason why it is included in so many pimple reduction products. What you need to do is squeeze a freshly cut lemon half and store this juice in an airtight sealed container. Apply it in the night before going to bed using a small tip. Apply the juice over every individual pimple. If you find raw lemon juice too strong, you can dilute it with water. Do not use lemon on the whole face as it will irritate your skin. Use this technique twice or thrice a day and you will see a difference within 1 week. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is a wonderful natural remedy to work wonders for a variety of skin as well as hair problems. Aloe vera gel helps to reduce acne and pimples effectively. Number 3. Essential oils. Essential oils like lavender essential oil as well as tea tree oil works great to reduce acne and pimples. Each person's skin is different, so what works for many may not work for you. Do try all the tricks to see what suits you the best. Also, we suggest you do not break pimple, keep the skin clear and avoid touching your face too many times so that germs in your hands do not contact your face. Hope these tips will help you. If you have any good tips for pregnant moms, then do share with us in the comment box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.